Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to see more home, holiday, event, wedding, and DIY decor. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Charlotte's Web theme party centerpiece and setup. Here we go. Today's project is a special request, Charlotte's Web, which I got very excited to make because I thought it was an excellent request for all October babies, just like myself. Although I'm not a baby anymore, obviously. But yeah, I thought it was both sweet with all of the farm animals, but at the same time, a little bit of spooky with the spider. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to start my project by making my barn doors, and I'm going to be using 2 white foam boards from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put this one to the side because I'm going to make one door at a time. And since this project is intended for a girl, I decided that I'm going to make my barn doors pink, and this is Baby Pink by Americana. If you are going to make it for a boy, you can do the traditional red or blue, whatever color you like, really. All right, so what I'm going to do next is I am going to use some painter's tape to make the design of the door. And it should look something like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and start painting. Now I'm going to let them dry for a couple of hours, and then I'm going to tape them together with packing tape. And last but not least, I am going to glue Charlotte to the barn door. And I am going to be taking this one off, and I'm going to be replacing it with this one. This one looks like Charlotte a little bit more. So yeah, so I'm just going to glue it on. Next, I'm going to be making Wilbur the pig out of balloons because you guys know I love balloons, and it's going to be very easy to make. And he's going to be sitting in the middle of my arrangement, and I'm going to start with the body, and this is a 24-inch giant balloon in pink, obviously. So I'm just going to go ahead and blow it up. And here is the body. I'm going to be using this back end as the tail. So this is going to be the back of the pig. Now I'm going to move on to the head. For the head, I'm going to be using a 12-inch pink balloon. Now I'm going to cut this end. And then I'm going to go ahead and start gluing. And make sure that you use a low temperature gun. Now I'm going to start working on the pig's legs, and for that I'm going to use 5-inch pink balloons. I'm also going to be cutting the excess balloon here. As you can see here, the neck is a little bit too skinny. I want it to be a little bit more like this. So what I'm going to do is add a little bit more glue all around. And that looks so much better. Look at that. So better yet, once you're going to attach the body to the head, make sure that the circle of glue that you are going to apply on this balloon is wider, okay? The littler your circle, the skinnier the neck. So the wider the circle of glue, the fatter the neck. And nobody wants a skinny pig, so make sure that your circle is wide. Now let's move on to the face, and I'm going to start with the ears. For the ears, I'm going to use 5-inch balloons as well, and they should look something like this. I'm going to go ahead and do the same, cut this off and glue them on the top. Now I'm going to apply the eyes. These are wiggly or googly eyes that I got from Michaels, and they are, what size are these? 1.57 inches, okay? So I'm just going to place them right here. Look how cute that looks. Whoop. Oh, it's getting heavy up front. Okay. All right, so there he is. So cute. Now I'm going to move on to the nose. To make my piggy's nose, I'm going to use a 5-inch balloon and a twist and shape balloon. All right, so I'm going to blow it up to be proportioned to his face. So right about there, okay? And then you are going to push this back, and you are going to grab it on the other side. Once you get to the other side, you're just gonna grab it, and you're going to twist it a bit. Okay, and then you are going to grab your twist and shape, and you're going to tie it back here. Okay, so the nose made it a little bit front heavy. So if you run into this problem, you can blow up a balloon with water and tie it to the back of the leg. Okay guys, this is it. This is my Charlotte Web party centerpiece and a little bit of the setup, and oh my gosh, this is absolutely adorable. I love the way my balloon centerpiece of Wilbur the pig turned out, and I also love the barn doors. Very easy to make. Love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to do so right here, right now. Also, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of my Charlotte's Web centerpiece, and leave me a comment anyway, because you know I love to chit chat with you guys all the time. And make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that has an October baby, just like myself, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. All right guys, until next time, bye.